the first chapter of class 9th, The Fun They Had, which is written by Isaac Asimov based on the virtual classrooms. So this chapter is based on the virtual classrooms where Margie and Tommy are the two characters who are discussing about the virtual classrooms, and along with that virtual classrooms they found one real book. So let's see what the story is about. Margie writes her diary. Margie even wrote about the book in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. The real book." Now Margie, where she have written, the date is 17th May 2157, which is the future. Right, where she is writing, where in the future she have written about the real book. Well, now what is a real book is? It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him about a time all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages. These were wrinkled and yellow. The words stood still. They did not move on the screen as they do now. So now here the real book is the book which we used 2 months back. Actually, the situation has made us right now only to do the usage of the virtual classrooms. We are right now using the virtual classrooms. We are studying through computers, through internet right now. Though we have not reached that step that the robotic teachers are there. But here, at least we have entered the usage. We have started using the virtual classrooms right now. Now, telebooks. Tommy called it a waste. When they read the book, they threw it away. The television screen must have been very big to have many books. It was still good for many more books. It was same for Margie, though she had not seen many telebooks. Now what is a telebooks? The telebooks is, as it was told, that they study through computer screens. So that is their television where they can go through many books. And even the same Margie. Margie hated for school. Margie was 11. So as Margie now, they have seen many telebooks. Now what was the reason? Margie's hatred for school. Margie was 11 and Tommy was 13. She asked him where he found that book. He replied that he found that in his house. She asked what it was all about. He replied that it was about school. Margie exclaimed, "School? What was there to write about school as she hated that?" Now here, as Margie was 11 years old, where Tommy was 13 years old. And when they were discussing about that real book, so Margie asked Tommy that where he found this book. So Tommy replied that he found this book in his house. And now again the Margie is asking that what this book is based on, what is written in this book. So Tommy replied that it is about the school. So all of a sudden then Margie asked that how come anybody can write about the school, and what was there to write about the school. Now what was the reason? The first we have seen where the Margie was hating the school. So now the reason why Margie hates school. She always hated school, but now she hated it more. It was because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in the geography. She had been doing worse and worse. At last her mother sent for the county inspector. Now here the reason is why Margie hates school. She is always hating the school, but now she started hating it more because her mechanical teacher, as I previously discussed, the mechanical teacher, as they are studying through the computer where the robotic teachers are teaching them. So that robotic teacher used to give test after test, especially in the geography, and now she was the test whichever she was giving, she was getting less and less marks. So it was getting worse. Day by day it was getting worse. Her result was getting worse. So at last her mother sent for the county inspector. Now as mother called the county inspector, as we are having a mechanics to check our instruments, here the same The television teacher sat right. Now the county inspector arrives. The inspector was a round little man. He had a red face and a box of tools, dials, and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. He took the television teacher away. Margie hoped he wouldn't know how to set it right, but after 1 hour, it was brought again before her with its big screen. Lessons were shown and the questions asked on it. Now, as the county inspector was called, so television teacher arrived. County inspector arrived to set right the television teacher. Now, the county inspector, the description of county inspector is given over here. He was round little man with red face, carrying a box of tools, dials, and wires, and he offered an apple to Margie, and he took the television teacher away from Margie for correcting it. Margie hoped, and what the Margie was thinking, that it won't be possible for the county inspector to set that mechanical teacher right now. It won't be possible to improve it right now. But after an hour, what happened? The teacher came back along with that county inspector came back with the mechanical teacher. And the same thing, the big screen was there and the lessons were shown on that, including the questions also, which was hated by the Margie. Now Margie is learning. She hated its lot in which she had to put her homework. She had to write them in a punch code. She had been learning since she was 6 years old. The most thing which Margie hated was where she had to put homework, that slot where she's supposed to insert the homework, and she had been learning this from her 6 years old. When she was 6 years old, she started learning, and she's supposed to put her homework, she's supposed to insert her homework in punch code. Now, geography sector set right. The inspector smiled and patted Margie's head. He told Margie's mother that it was not Margie's fault. The geography sector was geared a little too quick. He had slowed that to an average 10-year level. Margie's progress had been quite satisfactory. Then he went away. Now, where the Margie was facing problem, where her result was getting worse day by day, that was the geography sector. So the inspector, after inspecting that mechanical instrument, he told that Margie was correct. He patted Margie's head and praised Margie, appreciated Margie, that as per her level, actually the geography sector was set up, it was geared too quick. The level was too high as compared to Margie's age, but still she was doing quite good. So now he had slowed down the level to an average 10-year level, and the Margie's progress was quite satisfactory. She was okay from her end. Then he moved away. As Margie's mechanical teacher was repaired, corrected by the county inspector. But what was Margie's wish about her television teacher? Margie hoped that they would take her mechanical teacher away, as they had done so to Tommy's for nearly a month. The history sector of Tommy had blanked out. Margie said to Tommy, why anyone would write about school? Now, as Margie was thinking that his television teacher will be taken away by the county inspector, as it has been already done with Tommy's teacher. When Tommy's history section was not working, he was taken away nearly for a month. Now again, they are thinking that why anyone would write about the school? Tommy tells her about old schools. Tommy told her that it was not their kind of school. That was a kind of old schools which they had they had their hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Now, when the Margie is asking that how come anybody can write about the school? So Tommy is saying that the old schools were not the schools which they are having. It was the different kind of school. That was a kind of a school which they had their hundreds and hundreds of years ago, very different schools. Now Margie's knowledge about old schools. Margie was hurt. She told that she did not know about these schools. She read the book over Tommy's shoulder. She then said that they had had a teacher anyway. Tommy replied that it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Now, Margie's knowledge about that old school. Margie was not having too much information about the old school. Now, whatever the book was in the hand of Tommy, it was read by Margie. Margie was reading that same book, keeping her head on the Tommy's shoulder. And Tommy was saying that they don't have the teacher the way we are having. They are having a teacher which was a man, human being. They were having a human being as a teacher. And now what was about the students in those schools? The teacher told the boys and the girls things and gave homework. He also asked them questions. Margie told Tommy that man couldn't be smart enough, but Tommy said he was so. Now, even the students, that is the boys and girls, they used to go to that school where the human being, the man, used to teach, and he also asked them questions. Margie told Tommy that man couldn't be smart enough. That man, the human being who was teaching, who also used to ask the questions, at that time the Margie was little bit shocked. She's saying that the man can't be too much smart. They couldn't be smart enough the way we are having our virtual or the mechanical teacher. But Tommy said he was so. The human beings, the men who were asking questions, they were smart enough like the virtual classrooms. Old schools explained. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She was not ready that the men, the human beings, are smarter than their telebooks. She said that she wouldn't want a strange man to live in her house and teach her. Now she is thinking, as the virtual classroom, as the robotic teacher, the mechanical teacher is staying in their house. She don't want that the stranger man, the stranger human being should come and live in her house. Tommy told Margie that the teachers did not live in the house as the mechanical teachers lived. They had a special building and all the kids went there and they learned the same thing. Also, they were of the same age group. As the Margie was thinking that the mechanical teacher is living with them, the human being, the man will come and live along with them. So at that time, the Tommy explained that they had a special building and all the kids went there and they learned the same thing as they belonged to the same age group. The human being don't come and live with them. Now adjustment of television teacher. But Margie and that said that as per her mother, a teacher had to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it taught. So each kid had to be taught differently. So now the Margie is saying that the television teacher need to be adjusted as per the kid's mind, as each and every kid is of different mindset. Margie's school time. Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, called that it was time for a school. Margie asked Tommy if she could read the book some more with him after school. Tommy walked away. He had put the dusty old books under his arm. Now it was the Margie school time, that is a virtual classroom, and Mrs. Jones, that the Margie's mother, called her that it's the school time and you are supposed to attend the school. And at that time, as they were discussing about the real book, old book and the old schools, so now Margie was quite curious to know about that old schools and the real books. So she asked that can she read the book further. So the Tommy was not in a mood to reply. He just walked away and he put that old dusty book under his arm and he moved away. Margie thinks of old school. Margie put her work in the slot with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools. They had them when her grandfather's grandfather was a kid. All the kids from the neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. They sat together at the end of the day. They learned the same thing so that they could help one another in their homework, and the teachers were human beings. Now she went in her school, that was in her bedroom, and where the mechanical teacher, the robotic teacher was standing, and where she was supposed to give her work. The teacher gave her work, she had submitted her homework, but still her mind was engrossed in thinking about that old school. The old school where the kids, his grandfather's grandfather, as a kid, they used to come laughing and shouting, and they used to sit together at the end of the day, and they used to discuss the homework, whatever the doubts, it can be sorted out. And one and the most important thing, the teacher was the human being. Thinking continues. The mechanical teacher was flashing on screen the fractions of her questions. But Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved the school in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. As the mechanical teacher started teaching and the mechanical teacher is giving the work, the fractions of questions were given. But still the Margie was thinking about the old schools which she had read in the Tommy's book, and she's thinking that how much fun they all had together, including where the human being is teaching and the kids where they are going in the same school building, and even solving the doubts, having the problems, solving the homework together, and enjoying and shouting and laughing and coming back from the schools. So this is the chapter where the virtual classrooms and the real book have been discussed. But the situation has allowed us to start the virtual classrooms right now. As we are facing the pandemic corona disease, we have already started the virtual classrooms at our home right now.